Alright guys, welcome to another Gen Graphics tutorial. So I'm so excited you're still here with us. I'm sorry I've been away for a little time. Well, there's no problem. Actually, I actually relocated to Lagos and it's not been easy, trying to fit in, put my things in order and putting myself in order. But well, everything is almost going into the past, okay, because I'm trying to blend up, okay, and a lot of funny things happen to me. But very soon I'll make a video on my first 5 days as a newbie in Lagos, so that you see some of the things I encountered. All right, so someone requested show I make a tutorial video on how I make my birthday special mix, and I'll be showing you how to do that. Okay. First, you need to take beautiful pictures of yourself with your cell phone or with camera, with whatever device you want to use. Okay. And second, you have to install your CapCut video editor, because that is the application we'll be using to do that. Okay, so let's just step right ahead to our CapCut video editor. All right. Our CapCut video editor. In case of people that don't know it, this is CapCut video editor. I'm actually using the Pro and it has more features, okay? You can start with the free version. It doesn't come with more watermark. You just have to delete the ending part of it. It's that easy, okay? So I'll just click on CapCut and I'll be clicking on new project. New project. And once you click on new project, it will load the videos and photos on your device. Okay, now you can see all the pictures on my device have actually popped up, and I'm going to head straight to where those pictures are located. Oh, I think it's been long, so it's going to be down. Okay, I think I'm there. Yes, and I'm going to select as many as I want. Just click on this circle to highlight those pictures. You can select as many pictures as you want, okay? So I'll be selecting pictures that I need. All right, so once you're done selecting the pictures, just click on add. I have 10 pictures, so I'm just going to click on add 10. Okay, add 11 now, and it's going to take you to my timeline. So you can see the pictures have actually collated together as a video. Now you notice there are so many effects on those videos, okay? And there is an overlay of an happy birthday. So I'm going to take you through how to achieve each of them now, okay? Now, to add an effect to your video, to your picture, the first thing to do is to click on add effect, okay? I'm sure you're seeing effect here. So I'll click on effect and I'll be using, now you can use video effect, body effect, and photo effect. There are several effects that's available, okay? So whichever you like. But for this video, the first effect was actually a video effect. So I'm just going to click on video effect now. And I got it from 2024. I'm sure you're seeing them. Okay, so there are several of them, but for the first picture show, I used the magic transition. I'll click on that now. and you're going to see the amazing transition on my picture. I'm sure you're seeing that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Okay, so that's for the first picture, and I'm going to tick good, and I'll proceed to the second picture. Okay, and I'll be choosing video effects too. That particular effect was firework, and is also a video effect. Yes, firework. Yes, I'm sure you're seeing it. You can see the amazing transformation on my picture. Once you're done with it, remember to always tick that code, and that effect will be applied to your video, to your picture. Then let's go straight ahead to, I think the shaky animation was the next one, and it's gotten from body effects. And it's gotten from glowing lines, I think. Glowing lines. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm sure you can see the amazing lines, glowing lines that are available. And yes, that's it. Then I'm going to click on grid. So on your own, you can check on those amazing effects, okay, that CapCut has for you. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how you can add music, that's background music, to your video. Remember, it's now a video, okay, it's no longer images. So I'm just going to click on this audio icon, and I'll go to my gallery to select any sound I want, or I can extract from the video that is on my phone. So let me just click on extracted, so I can extract from videos. Okay, all right, so it's actually loading the videos on my phone, and I'm going to select the video, and I'll click on import music only. Okay, and it's going to generate only the music from that video and add it to my own video. So let's just wait for it to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video if it's useful to you. Okay, so it's actually importing the sound, and let's listen to it.
Weakness, you be my strength. Other girls let me pass you. You be my friends. No one else give me sweetness. You be the best. Nothing else give me ginger. Now you give me vibe. I never found another girl like you. Since you left me, girl, they pay me for body. Say you never know I see, baby. Say you want to kill me. Let's press rewind. Don't tell me no, no. I think
Okay, I'm sure you're seeing that. Now, the last thing is to add that overlay, that birthday picture that I have. So I'm going to click on add overlay. And remember, I downloaded it from Google. So I'm going to click on my download album, and I'll search it out. Albums, download, and I'm just going straight down. Okay, you can see it's a PNG, so I don't need to remove the background. But if peradventure you downloaded a video with a background, you just have to remove the background. I'm sure I taught that in one of my videos. So if you don't know how to do that, please check those videos. Now I'm going to bring it down, okay? I'm just going to bring it down. Okay, and I'm going to draw it to the end of the video, so I'll just click on this white and I will extend it. Okay, I'm going to just extend it to the end of the video so that this particular image will be on every part of the video. Okay, I'll draw and hold it till the end. And I know you are going to ask me, what of if mistakenly it crosses it? I just have to split it and delete out. Okay, then I'll click on split and I'll delete the unwanted. Okay, then remember that CapCut always comes with an ending. That's the CapCut watermark. All I have to do is just to click on that ending and delete it out too. That's very, very important. Okay, you can see. Yes, so I'm just going to delete it out. And you can see I just have my video. Okay, I'm going to play it for the last time so that you see what we have achieved.
My weakness, you be my strength. All the girls let me pass you. You be my friends, no one else give me sweetness. You be the best, nothing else give me ginger. Now you give me vibe. I never found another girl like you since you left me. Girl, they pay me for body. They never know I see they be. They want to kill me. Let's press rewind. Don't tell me no, no.
Alright guys, so I hope this video is helpful, and if you love these, remember to like the video, comment on it, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever we make a video, you'll be the first to hear about it. Thank you very much. I love you.